Greetings and salutations, everybody. I'm super excited today because I went to the doctor yesterday and they gave me the go-ahead that I can ride some roller coasters. My hand is getting better. It's still not 100%, but we'll get there. But I am here at one of my favorite places, SeaWorld, to ride some roller coasters. Oh man, I haven't been here in over 2 months because of my hand being broken. Oh, so let's go see what coaster I'm gonna ride first. I'm excited. Alright, here's our first ride on a roller coaster since my hand's been broken. Man, I'm excited. Here we go. Our first coaster. Wow. There we go. Fun. I almost lost my glasses there in that first barrel roll, but other than that, that was great. Alright, so here we go. Mako. The best roller coasters in Florida for now. For now. Love this ride. Alright, let's try this again. There goes the floor.
Hands up!
Oh yeah. There we go. Long haul to the top. Love this ride. Well, that's gonna do it for our quick here adventure to SeaWorld. I just came because I haven't rode any of the roller coasters in over 2 months, and had to test out the GoPro on my other hand because I'm used to doing it on my right hand, but it'll probably be another 5 to 6 months before I can even strap the GoPro on that hand. But we'll get there. We'll get there. It was amazing to ride all the rides on a Friday. It was a little crowded, but wasn't too bad. Did rain a little bit, but that's Florida for you. Don't forget that they are doing the Beer Fest still. They extended it until November 1st, and they are doing SeaWorld Spooktacular, where you can go and trick or treat. And unlike Islands of Adventure, where they put an age limit on it, SeaWorld doesn't care how old you are. You got a bag, they'll fill it with candy. But if you liked what I do, remember to please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when I go on more adventures. And until then, I'm gonna go eat my peanut butter s'mores. Later days.